Hello everyone, this is Sai Krishna in love with marketing. Today I'm here in front of you with a wonderful ABM case study that will motivate you and give you very good confidence to start your ABM program if you haven't yet. And if you have already started your ABM program, it will help you in giving new ideas and insights. Let's get into the case study. So the context is that they wanted to multiply their revenue, and the constraint is that they have very limited sales team. In this case, there are 25 people in the sales team, and previously they were doing spray and pray demand generation strategy in the organization, and then they have pivoted to ABM. So let's see how they have started their ABM program. The marketing team has defined their ICP marketing team as in including the sales leadership team and also account management leadership team. And then once they define those criteria that they need and everything, then marketing team will do the execution every time to identify the accounts. So how did marketing team identify the target account? They were banking on account intelligence. And how do they really evaluate an account if that is worthy enough to be targeted or not? So this organization is into cloud-based solutions. So their account intelligence is all about, if an account is already using a legacy data warehouse solution, or if an organization already has some cloud-based solutions that are from companies like Tableau or Looker, or if an organization has already an initiative or strategy to move into cloud. Okay, so this kind of inputs that they have obtained through account intelligence, and then once they have a list of target accounts, these target accounts were given to the sales directors, and these people would scrutinize these target accounts, and then once they see that these accounts are very much in alignment with their expectation, and then they would come up with a territory plan, and then they allocate these accounts to the SDRs that are working with them. So in this scenario, there are 3 sales directors here, and there are 30 SDRs. Each SDR was given 300 accounts, each sales director is giving 100 accounts to each and every SDR. So every SDR gets 100, 100, 100. So like that, every SDR is given 300 accounts. So once they are allocated, in these, let's say that I'm an SDR and I'm given 300 accounts. Out of these 300 accounts, the top 10% are considered, the top 10 are taken in the ABM strategic type, as in very hyper personalized. They have to be dealt with a lot of focus and effort. So that 10% accounts marketing team help them in hyper personalizing or optimizing their outreach and performance. And the rest of the accounts, there is a content team which have curated the content, and their content is in different formats, and every content was tagged based upon the persona, based upon the use case, based upon the industry, based upon solutions they would be looking, or they are tagged by different scenarios, contexts, requirements. So that sales people will be able to make use of this content when they are trying to engage, reach, build relationship with these target accounts. So the kind of mediums that this ABM outreach has used is display ads, email marketing, sponsored content, and direct mailers as well. And here, if we have to talk about the team structure, there is one ABM manager for all the 30 SDRs, whereas there are 3 sales directors, and whereas 300 accounts are given for each and every SDR, whereas 10%, that is 30 accounts for every SDR, is considered as a top accounts where they will use ABM strategic type to reach them, and then every account has been engaged with the 15 people in that account. So the outcome is wonderful. They have tripled their revenue, and seeing this wonderful outcome, the organization have quadrupled their sales team, and they have allocated $500 million additional fund for this program. So this is the power of ABM strategy, ABM approach. So I'm sure that you will find very good insights and ideas in this. The major crux of this case study, there are 2 points here. The very first one is account intelligence. The way they have evaluated accounts made sure that they are not working on accounts that are not worthy, that are not in the buying cycle. So they put a lot of effort in getting this account intelligence. And step 2 is to get the content in place. A very good content, gives results in good engagement, approach, and also building relationship. So these are the two crux points of this entire case study that made this ABM program so successful.